Hey everybody! Welcome to Craftin' and Stampin' with Carrie B.
And Scout B.
Today we're going to be taking you through the Wildcat suite of products from Stampin' Up. We're going to teach you how to make a card to say, I'm sorry to somebody. Have you ever acted like a beast to somebody?
Unfortunately, I really have. What about you?
Yes, unfortunately, I have acted wild before. And I made a card and it sort of fixed it. Mostly. It was a great step in the right direction. It's a process. But anyways, today we're going to be taking you through making a card. We're going to stamp some sentiments. We're going to show you how to use the Stamparatus to create some cool sentiments for inside your card, and we're going to make some cats, and we're going to take you through the products. So, join us, won't you?
Hey, I got separated from my pack, but I forgot to say this. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. It really helps us out. I gotta run.
Okay, let's go. I'm talking about the Wildcat set today. We're talking about papers, stamps. I'm leaving the dies until I get my die cutting machine. This paper coordinates with the Regal's line of colors, and that's broken down in the annual catalog. But today I'll just be concentrating on the ones I have, which are Soft Succulent, Cajun Craze, and Bumblebee. The Wildcats set is probably not going to be around much longer. I think it's available in limited quantities right now, but I really liked it because Scout likes tigers, so that's why I got it. And I'm just going to be taking some sort of watercolor paper. I'm going to start by sort of replicating this color combination stamp. You can kind of see if you don't get it covered all the way. And then push, get an even coverage. If I'm looking at the paper, they don't have an exact cheetah like in this pose on this paper, but you can kind of see they put spots all over. They don't really make it so that, you know, you have to be picky about it. I attended Creative 8 this past weekend, and it was amazing. It was an online retreat on Facebook, and there were challenges and card recipes and all kinds of fun ways to interact with people from all across the country and maybe even all around the world. And one of the things I learned that I really saw a lot of potential in was during Shelley's presentation. I believe she's one of the founders, maybe the CEO. She showed us how to mask off a stamp to just use a portion of it. So for instance, I want my sentiment to say I acted like a beast, and I want beast to be emphasized, and I'll handwrite the rest of the sentiment. So you just take the stamp and just stamp the edge. Then you take this off and you go like this, and you get just this, so that when you handwrite it, it'll end up being a little more emphasized. I'm making a card first to tell someone sorry, but I don't have one that says sorry. And a lot of times when you see sorry cards, it has more to do with like sympathy or loss, and the sentiment doesn't quite fit in this scenario. So what I thought I would do is show you what I might do to adapt what I do have to make it work for what I want. So I would take paper that I'm going to stamp on, and I would lightly pencil the word sorry. It doesn't have to be perfect, but give yourself a little room, make it kind of large, because I'm going to use the foliage stamp with this little sort of vine on it to manipulate it around the letters. I will just follow the shape of the letters, maybe using this end piece and kind of turning it as I go. And what's nice is don't worry about those lines, because you can absolutely erase it.